What's up, primal people? How are you doing? So today, we got a nice little video packed for you guys. We got one in store. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go outside, have a nice little porch workout. This is what I do on the daily. This is, my fun. This is what I do other than, read books. This is awesome. I love, keeping the mind, keeping the body right. So you're going to see a little behind the scenes of how I do that, how I, stay primal. And that's one of the biggest things, listening to your body. The mind and body are so closely connected, and one translates to the other just like that. So that's what's in store for today, and hope you guys enjoy. All right, so this is what I call my workstation. This is where everything happens. This is where the training goes down. I mean, not where everything happens, because I have a, weight set, whatever. This is where the primal growth begins. And what I mean by that primal growth is just getting your body and mind right. So I'm gonna stretch out, got this new cork roller, but also we got a foam roller as well. So you can use these however you want. There's no way that you have to use them, but I'll show you just a few good places to get. So really get under the, get the glute going, get the buttocks, and you're gonna have yourself a nice little massage muscle after this. You can do this for however long you want. You don't have to, follow any rules, just whatever feels good. There's different variations that you can get of these foam rollers. There's tougher ones, there's ones that are made out of cork, there's ones that are made out of foam. You can go a lot of different roads with foam rollers. Alright, so we got the hydration going, and they're all going to be set to go. May roll out my calves, good areas to get, I might not show it. You can get your lats, you can get your back, you can get your glutes like I was doing. The calves were a really big one. It is important to stay hydrated, especially on a hot day like today. Keep that in mind. You don't want to deplete your hydration resources and not have enough water. Alright, so now we are going to start with my, little ab exercise routine. Nothing crazy, and I always do switch it up, but these are some good moves to have in your arsenal. So for this exercise, it is important to keep your chin straight up when you're going up. You don't want to tuck the chin because it's bad for your neck, and you don't want your neck to be hurting. Create that good posture, look up to the sky. Call it good. Alright, so just showing you guys, that was the first one. Now we're moving to the scissor. The scissor is a good exercise to strengthen your core, but also gets your legs involved as well. You try to do it as straight as possible, and I'll have Hannah here show a little demonstration of a straighter form. But it's all work in progress. Don't worry if you're shaking, any of that, that's totally fine. Yes. So as she is doing, you can see she has almost 90 degrees. She has very flexible. So you don't want to strain your back while doing this. This is why she has her hands under her butt right now. See, almost literally making a 90-degree angle with her feet. And usually you want to wait just around a few seconds before you alternate, but you can pick whatever you feel is right. The longer you wait, the harder the workout's going to be. You have to really stabilize and, use all those muscles. 2 more rotations, and we're on to the next exercise. Alright, so next one, I'll just show you what it is. It's a nice little ab exercise, gets it going. You have to really make sure when you are doing all these exercises to contract in. You don't want to herniate any, part of your abdomen at all. That's going to suck, and you're going to have to go to the doctor for that, or hospital, whatever. You're not going to want that. So really suck in, really flex, concentrate. I know it might be harder, but it's going to work the muscle more, and you're going to get, prevent injury as well. And I usually do it for, a bit longer, but that's just the gist of the exercise. Very nice and simple. It keeps them engaged, and it's more for endurance, but really good exercise. The next one's just gonna be the ab twist. There's an actual name for it, but you guys maybe have seen it before. If not, it's a really helpful exercise. Gets the obliques working, gets both sides. It's really good. And you can even use, once you're better at it, a weight and a weighted whatever. This cork barely weighs like a pound, I don't know. Nothing crazy. But slowly but surely, you'll make some progress. Hopefully get the definition you desire, and hopefully you'll be satisfied. So now we're just going to be doing a simple plank. It's a nice little, ab exercise, and just see at the end of your workout if you made any progress. And you can do that easy by just timing your plank. The biggest thing, or biggest mistake that people do make, they don't do it in the right form and they don't contract their abs right. So make sure you're contracting inward, which means sucking in, and perform it with a straight back. And shaking is okay. So, nice and easy workout here. We are going to end it with some stretches. These stretches are more for your belly and everything. They're just little poses that you can hold to stretch out the muscles you just worked.
On the top of your foot. No, it's supposed to be touching.
This one you'll really feel, get the stomach loosen up, the abdomen area. And then usually after these workouts I do decide to roll out with a lacrosse ball or use the Body Buddy that I had as stated, or even roll out once again, because breaking up that lactic acid is a very important part to keeping your muscles in good shape. Alright guys, so thank you for staying tuned. It was a good little ab exercise workout session, and hopefully you guys enjoy and stick around for more. There's a lot more to come, a lot of different exercise routines that I'll be posting on here, and really narrowing it down to, fitness stuff. I mean, there'll still be lifestyle, but really trying to focus on mind and body wellness and being the Primal Natural, because yes, I did change my name as you can tell, but that's what I'm going to be going by from now on. Alright guys, so I'll see you next time, and stay primal.